In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can connect or add Facebook pixel to your Shopify store and track sales. So the first and the most important step is you need to create a Facebook Business Manager account where you can manage your Business Manager, Ads Manager and Meta Business Suite at the same time. So make sure to simply search for business.facebook.com and then you just need to log in with Facebook or Instagram, or if you don't have any account you can click on create new account. Now once you have created your Facebook Business Manager account, this is how the main dashboard will going to look like. Now the first step that we need to do is to simply head over to settings and then you just need to head over to accounts. Now in the accounts you need to click on ads account and then click on add on the top right of your screen. Now you need to simply click on create a new ad account. Now you need to simply start by entering the ad account name and then you need to select the time zone and then simply select the currency, then tap on next. Select that this ad account will be used for my business and then click on next again. Make sure to agree with the terms and conditions and then tap on create ad account. Now we have successfully created our ad account. You can also add your payment info, but for now it doesn't matter, you can add it later. Now the next step will going to be creating a new pixel that we can connect with our Shopify store and then track conversions. So simply head over to data sources and now you just need to click on data sets. Click on add and then name it whatever your company name is and then click on create. Now after creating our dataset, we can click on the three dots and then click on open in events manager. Now once you are in, you need to simply look for the option of setup metapixel. So simply click on it and then click on this use partner integration and click on check for partner. Now in this case we are using Shopify, so simply select Shopify and now click on go to Shopify, and this is going to automatically log into your Shopify account where you need to simply install Facebook and Instagram application. So click on install and then make sure to connect with the same account that you are using with your Meta Business Manager. After connecting your Facebook account, you just need to select your business portfolio. In this case I will go with this one and make sure that data sharing is selected to maximum so that Facebook can use these features and data to enhance our ads. So make sure to select maximum and click on save. Now you need to simply connect your data set, which is going to be our newly created data set that we have created in the data sources. So make sure to connect that and then accept the terms and condition and click on submit for review. Now once you have submitted that form, you can now go back and then click on next and then you just need to enter your Shopify website URL. So make sure to simply click on this online store and copy your Shopify URL and make sure to paste it just like so and then click on send test traffic. Now you can simply click anywhere on your Shopify store, and if I go back, this is going to take few seconds, and as you can see it is currently showing us active, so we can click on next and now we can click on test events in event manager. Once you are on this page, you can now test your events by going back to your Shopify store and clicking on your options like product page, your catalog, your contact page, and then you can go back and you will going to see all the events showing up on this place. Now keep in mind this might take some time, at least 30 minutes after you have set up your event to see it into your analytics, so you need to make sure to be patient. Now Facebook will going to optimize your ads according to the consumer behavior, and at the same time you will going to track the conversions as well. So that's the way of how you can add Facebook pixel to your Shopify store.